keynote webinars, customer success workshops, customer success stories, and your chance to win a £25 Amazon gift card. It can only mean one thing. Hello and welcome to October's Big Community Newsletter. On the 8th and 9th of October, we held another fantastic customer success workshop right here at BigChange HQ in Leeds. It was our biggest one to date with 45 customers in attendance. Those who attended were able to get personal attention from our BigChange experts, making sure they get the most out of their system. November is our final workshop of the year and there are still places available. So if you're free on the 5th and 6th of November and want to get first-class service and guidance from the BigChange team, you'll want to email Louise right away to reserve your spot. Her details are on screen. On the 10th of October, we held our third Innovate session of the year. Over 150 people attended, making it our biggest one to date. We looked at things which have been released into production, such as enhancements to dashboards and contracts, as well as looking at items still being developed and that our customers can use and provide feedback on. These included purchase invoicing, a new timesheet report, and for our more technical customers, a brand new REST API. Callum from V-Power told us it's a great insight into the new tools and is excited to test the new features. Gemma from Quest Waste told us it was really good to see what's in development and she can't wait to try the features. Demeter from AGS1 said the webinar was incredibly useful and informative. It provided a clear and concise insight on the innovations that BigChange are working on. The customer in the spotlight this month is Lanes Group. We take a look at how the BigChange platform increased automation and job efficiency and diversified their offering. In turn, this led to an increase in daily jobs by over 400%. To read the success story in full, click on the link below. If you're interested in having the spotlight shone on your success, drop Louise an email to get involved. Her details are on screen. Last month we announced the launch of the BigChange podcast Field Service Stories. This month we're announcing that you can listen to Field Service Stories whilst on the move. So head over to your podcaster of choice such as Spotify, Apple Podcasts or Amazon Music to subscribe and download now. You can even ask your smart speaker to play Field Service Stories. Last month we reintroduced our competition and we asked you what hardware was announced at our Q2 Innovate. It was of course BigChange dashcams. The winner chosen at random from correct entries was Martin Tristram from Blue Machinery. A £25 Amazon gift card is on its way to you. For your chance to win a £25 Amazon gift card this month, you need to answer the following question correctly. This year we have so far held 6 customer success workshops. The question is, how many people have attended them? Is it A, 100 people, B, 142 people, C, 179 people, or D, 210 people? To enter, scan the QR code on screen or click on the link below. Winners will be chosen at random from correct answers. And that's a wrap for this month's Big Community Newsletter. Remember to hit the subscribe and bell buttons below to be notified when new content goes live. And if you like this video, why not give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment. Until next month, continue to be unstoppable.